What is that sound? Listen. It's nature. I love nature. Nature. What's this? It's a pigeon. Pigeon. What color is the pigeon? It's white. How many pigeons are there? How many? There are 6 pigeons. Good. What's this? It's a ladybird. Ladybird. What color is it? It's red and black. How many ladybirds are there? There are 3 ladybirds. What's this? It's a seagull. Seagull. What color is it? It's white. How many seagulls are there? There are 8 seagulls. There are many seagulls here. Okay. What's this? It's a bee. It is small. What color is it? It's yellow and black. How many bees are there? There are 5 bees. Good. What's this? It's the frog. Frog. Quack, quack. What color is it? It's green. How many frogs are there? How many? There is 1 frog. Good. What's this? It's sea. Right? And what's that animal? It's a dolphin. How many dolphins? There is 1 dolphin. Good. What's this? It's a whale. How many whales? 1 whale. And whales are very big. What's this? It's a shark. How many sharks are there? There are 2 sharks. And these are sea animals. They swim in the sea. Thank you. These are animals and nature. Goodbye.